Have you ever felt that you have a lot of idea in your head, yet you feel that there's some things that are missing to join all the pieces together to build your business? Hi, my name is Nurul Chowdhury, and to be honest, I'm in the same situation as you are today. I recently lost my job on the 2nd of July 2025, where I worked for a large corporation as a finance guy. And after 10 years of working in the company, they decided to let go of me. So at the age of 60, I said, well, I don't want to get back to corporate job anymore. It is stressful. Finance job is really, really stressful. And I don't want to be in that situation anymore. So what options do I have? I decided to go on a journey to build my own business. And to do that, I said I will invest in some experts who know what they're doing and work through their program. So recently, after I lost the job, I bought this book of Russell Brunson, Expert Secrets. This book has awarded 2 comma clubs, which is someone who makes $1 million with their funnels are awarded a 2 comma club. And there are about hundreds of them who have followed the same principles which are described in this book and made that success story. So I said, I'm going to try this book. I have some ideas, I have passion, skill sets, but I really don't know how to put it into form. So I decided to invest in this book and go through it. So when I purchased this book comes free. It's just that you have to pay shipping. And there was a 30-day challenge to complete, to guide through the book, to come up with your business idea. And so I decided to do this 30-day challenge and document my journey on my YouTube channel, which is what I'm doing right now. This is the beginning. I read the preface and it was written by Gary J. White, and so that's where the idea came. I want to build this business by informing others, learning myself, implementing, and also helping people who might be in my situation. So if you want to follow through with me, do subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a video a day, unscripted, like what I'm doing right now. Unedited if possible. I might just delete some of the ahs, no graphics or special effects. And I want to follow this because this book really has lots of diagrams in there which really tells you how to proceed with your what to get. Like this one here is a value ladder. So what are the different types of programs you can do for your business by following this ladder here, right? And so I'm going to do this, and if you really want to be with me, I invite you to follow my journey, and that might help you in yours too. So looking forward to see you in my channel. Now I'm going to drop a link for this book. This is my affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything to buy from me, but if you do, I do get a commission given by Russell. The cost will be the same for you, free plus shipping. That is, you get the book free and you just have to pay shipping costs for it. Depends where you are. It could be a bit more, a bit less. US is about $8-9, I think. And I'm in Ireland, so I did pay a bit more. I can't remember, about $20, I suppose. But still worth it, right? If I can build a business with this, I will definitely take it. If they can succeed and make $1 million businesses, so can we. It's just that we need to have the mindset in here. All these years, I had a job and I felt secured in it. So I didn't want to go out of my comfort zone. But right now, I am in a situation where I have no salary coming in, no extra payment coming in. So I have to make this happen. And I will try my best to get this done. So hoping to see you in my channel. And the other thing is that I will also drop a link to subscribe to my list, where once you sign up, you will also be entered into a community where all of us can mingle together, safe place. It's a private, not Facebook, not school. It's just a completely private community where you'll get the chance to answer questions, help others, get help from others, and myself too. I'll be there all the time. So looking forward to see you in there. If you like this video, please do share with others who might be in my situation and would like to start a business and not be locked in that corporate job forever. And let's do it. We can do it. We can change the world. We can make more impact in this world. See you. Bye.